This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. The registration process for COVID vaccination to all above 18 years will start from the 28th of this month. All those eligible can register on CoWIN portal cowin.gov.in. The third phase of COVID vaccination is starting from the 1st of next month. The Health Ministry has said CoWIN portal will be made ready for 18-plus beneficiaries by the 24th April. In this phase, the vaccination will continue as before in the Government of India vaccination centres, free of cost to the eligible people, including healthcare workers, frontline workers, and all above 45 years of age. The record spike in coronavirus cases has increased in several states and union territories in the second wave of the pandemic. The Health Ministry has said a record number of over 3.14 lakh fresh cases have been reported in the country. Meanwhile, Arunachal Pradesh reported 73 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the state's caseload to 17,186. Meghalaya reported 180 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, adding the active cases to 1,133, while 68 recoveries were also registered. The total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya stands at 15,488, out of which 14,198 are recovered and 1,133 are active and 157 deaths. In Assam, 10 persons succumbed to COVID-19 yesterday in the state. 1,931 positive cases have been reported. 680 cases are reported in Kamrup Metro District. Nearly 400 persons discharged from hospitals after recovering from COVID-19. Health Department has administered yesterday over 68,000 vaccines in the state. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi expressed concern over high vaccine hesitancy in the state. Ravi urged leaders of various political parties to play their role as leaders in encouraging people to shed vaccine hesitancy. Ravi held a sensitization cum consultation meeting with various political party leaders of the state at Raj Bhavan in Kohima, reminding the leaders that the frontline workers have been under severe stress for the last over 1 year in this long fight against the pandemic. Ravi said they are facing the brunt of the situation. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong informed that a meeting of Meghalaya legislators belonging to Shillong agglomeration was chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday. Tinsong said the Chief Minister requested all MLAs to share the responsibility of the government by requesting all citizens to get vaccinated at the earliest. The Deputy Chief Minister informed that COVID Management Committee of respective assembly constituencies will be reactivated and will have regular meetings at the level and inform the government for any necessary help in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, after a meeting with officials from the Power Department, MECL and Finance Department, informed media persons that the current situation in terms of long pending liabilities of MECL with various companies was deliberated. The Chief Minister stated that in the past many years a lot of liabilities have been built up for MECL, and in the last few months there has been tremendous pressure on MECL to clear all those pending dues. He said that MECL have been paying the current bills, but due to large backlog of bills, things have been difficult. The state government has gone ahead with the Atmanirbhar loan and have received the first tranche and will ask the Government of India for the remaining loan to resolve the issues with MECL, he added. The auspicious occasion of the 58th Raising Day of Headquarters 101 area was celebrated yesterday. Headquarters 101 area was raised in 1963 as Headquarters 101 Communication Zone. To commemorate the occasion, General Officer Commanding 101 area laid a wreath at the War Memorial to pay homage to the gallant heroes. He also conveyed felicitations and best wishes to all ranks, veterans, civilian employees and families of Headquarters 101 area. During 1966, when Mizoram was gripped with insurgency, the formation was tasked to conduct counter-insurgency operations in Mizoram. The formation did a commendable job of winning the hearts and minds of the local populace and continued to perform this task till 1969. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.